Hello, I'm Omar and I'm a programmer. Sometimes a lot of people ask me how to embed a song into their blog, such as Blogspot or Blogger or Tumblr. Um, the way I prefer doing this is by going to scmplayer.net, and this way I can have a song, and I also give the users the ability to pause or stop this song if they don't want it playing. This makes it so that your site is a lot less annoying, yet it still gives the option of playing music on your site if you want to. So let's go to scmplayer.net and I'll show you how to do it. As soon as you go there, it'll ask you which skin you want. I like choosing the black skin because it looks sleek and stylish. You click on next and it'll ask you for a song title and a song URL. It has to be a song that is already uploaded. You can also use a YouTube address for the song URL if you want. And you can also add as many songs as you like because this is a playlist type of a feature. Go ahead and click next, and you can put yes if you want to auto start it. Otherwise, you can just leave it at no, and you can adjust some other options. After you click done, I'm sorry, I didn't add any songs, so I'm just going to add a random text so that it thinks that I added a song. And once you click done, as you can see, it'll have some code for you to copy and paste. It gives you instructions for Tumblr and Blogger, but for Blogspot, all you have to do is copy this code and paste it onto a blog post, and you will have embedded the player onto your Tumblr blog. I'm Omar, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a good day.